Hi! Mag-review ako ng mga letterbox review ko. Ang mga movies na to ay mga favorite ko. Magsisimula muna ako sa mga favorite ko for now kasi wala pa ako nalalag sa letterbox review ko. So, start tayo sa Everything Everywhere All at Once. Isa siya ang Everything Everywhere All at Once sa mga favorite ko. Babasahin ko muna yung review ko. Definitely changed the trajectory on how I look at things throughout my life. Parenthesis, I'm Asian and have mommy issues. LOL. But this movie definitely hit a spot in me, emotionally and spiritually. Also, the dildo fights. Wait lang pala, basahin ko muna. And I also love on how they represented on mali grammar ko on how Jubo struggled to introduce her GF and also being queer in a Asian household, which I relate so much, especially that I'm out now to my family. But overall, this movie affected me and I love it. Okay. Ang first ano ko dito sa review ko na to, feeling ko masyado itong kulang. At na ba lahat yan? Feeling ko nakukulangan ako sa review ko. Kasi ang daming aspect nitong movie nito. If hindi nga alam ang Everything Ever All at Once, if i-summarize ko siya, isa siyang multiverse movie na about sa mag-asawa, sa mag-ina. Yun. Pero ang dami kasing aspect sa movie. Pero parang hindi ko siya na-touch. Ang na-touch ko lang sa review ko is mostly personal. I mean mostly ng mga reviews na is personal. Especially, ako ang gumawa. Ako nag-review. Pero feeling ko, sana nag-explore din ako sa review ko na about sa dynamic ng mag-ina. Pati sa dynamic ng mag-asawa. Feeling ko, nagkulang ako yung review ko doon. Mostly nag-focus ako kay Jobu, which is sa anak. Na-mention ko lang ang mommy issues and sana na-mention ko rin yung divorce nila. Pati yung other universes na lovers nila Wanda and Waymon. Kasi isa sa mga favorite quotes ko dito yung sa movie. Even though you broken my heart so many times, in another life, I would have liked doing laundry at Texas with you. Which is in a way so romantic nun. I love that, by the way. Sobrang romantic nun kasi ang mundane ng minention niya, laundry and doing taxes, which I think a lot, if not all of us, is dreading that task. Laundry, endless laundry, taxes, never ending, especially in this society. That's the two things that people dreaded doing the most. And imagine doing that with people that you truly love, that you're even willing to do that things. Ayun. So I think ang review na to out of 5 star, ang review ko dito sa review ko is 3 star out of 5 kasi hindi ako contented sa movie. Hindi ako contented sa review ko. Nagkukulang siya, especially ngayon. Okay, next one. Legally Blonde. The original 2001. Okay, babasahin ko muna yung review ko again. I love this movie so much. So humorous and fun. First on how Elle is introduced into the movie is the stereotypical, yun, hanap kong word. Is the stereotypical blonde girl that's head over heels about her man, but that man trash her in what's supposed to be one of her biggest moments of her life. Ang pangit ng grammar ko dito. Pero okay lang kasi ako naman magsulat ito. Pangit pa rin naman grammar ko until now. Second, she worked her ass off to go through Harvard even though no one other than her BFFs believe in her capabilities. Tama. She seems out of her element compared to the other kids, but she proved that she can still have that spark and that personality even with no one giving a shit about her. and she stand out till the end without the help of others, but her and herself. Of course, with the support of her loved ones also. Okay. Okay. Definitely adore on how they use the faces of Elle in her wardrobe, starting with Barbie pink and then wearing black to blend with others but still ending it with pink and owning it. Okay, review ko na to. I'm overall happy sa input ko na review na to kasi na-dissect ko siya eh. So, na yung essence ng movie overall, feeling ko na encapsulate ko siya sa review ko na to. Which, yun yung goal, I guess. Ang may mali ako dito. Ang mali ko lang dito is like this. Still stand out in the end without the help of others. Which is mali. Ako kung ba't sinulat ko yan? Kasi siya ni, tinulungan din siya ng friends niya. Tinulungan din siya ng rival niya dati. Ang contradicting nito kasi tingnan mo yung kasunod. Of course with the support of her friends and loved ones also. So ano yung point na nilagay ko doon? Ba't nilagay ko na without the help of others? Tapos i-follow up ko lang din with the help of others. Okay, I think yun lang yung mali. Overall, I'm pretty happy, content, na encapsulate ko yung essence ng movie. Pretty happy with sa review ko na to. Kudos, Amy last year. If i-relate ko tong review ko na to, I would say like 4 out of 5. Kasi I love it. Tsaka ko. Medyo bulletin format. Mas easier sa akin magbasa. Okay, next. Mean Girls. Basahin ko na. I hate that I relate to this movie so much. I've dealt with this kind of situation already before watching this movie and definitely hit a spot while watching this movie. But overall, fun and pretty much vulgar. I mean, they're saying all kind of bullshit. Is it a perfect movie though? No. But still enjoy the movie and how things wrap up. Okay. Parang hindi ko siya na-dissect mostly in the movie. Itong review na to, ang feeling ko pinaka-weak. Feeling ko lang. Kasi hindi ko siya dissect mostly sa movie. Dissect ko lang siya sa mga pinagsasabi nila, like the vulgar, and ano yung naramdaman ko while watching the movie, which is, I guess, it is also valid kasi nagre-review lang din naman ako. But sana dissect ko yung cultural impact na tong movie. If ang daming quotable quotes dito, ang daming iconic moments dito, yung Christmas, I wish na dissect ko ang Mean Girls as a movie and as a cultural impact sa atin. Ayun yung hinahanap ko dito. But ayun yung naramdaman ko while watching. So hindi siya mali in some terms kasi ayun yung naramdaman ko. Ayun yung review ko. But overall, I would say no weak. Ang review na to, baka pag nire-watch ko, ulitin ko na lang ulit. I would say 2 stars out of 5 kasi medyo weak siya. Next, Wicked. Last movie muna ngayon. Okay, read ko muna. Feel ko green talaga ang puke ni Elphaba. Ewan ko bakit ko nilagay ko yun. Love this musical. Especially this is the first musical movie that I've actually dipped myself into. Excited for the drama of it all for the part 2. Though I love even in this fantasy world, it have a shit ton of real life applications, especially with the history of the world and even in our current political climate. Okay, medyo masaya ako dun sa input ko na yun. I would say Wicked is like a reflection of a political climate and racism on what's happening on our world right now. Focus ako sa implication niya in real life and ano yung naisip ko while watching that movie. Again, I would take that as a review kasi ayun yung naramdaman ko while watching it. Okay? Buti pala napapaisip ka ng ganun na Amy, no? Overall, pretty happy naman ako. Feel ko, ayun mo ng lahat ngayon, okay naman ako sa mga pinagsasabi ko. And I still stand by some of these reviews. This is episode 1, I guess. Bye!